Alright, in this section we're going to work on simplifying algebraic fractions. Basically, our strategy is just to factor the numerator and denominator, which we already know how to do, and then go one step further. We're going to cancel out common factors. So we'll start out. Here's our fraction. Let's factor first the top. Let's see, we need an x and an x. And then we have to multiply out to -8, so we need one of these to be a plus and one to be a minus. And I need a minus 2x in the middle. So -4, +2, that'll do it. The bottom is a difference of squares. Whoops, got that backwards. Four plus x, 4 minus x. Of course, 4 plus x is the same as x plus 4, right? The order of addition doesn't matter, but the order of subtraction absolutely does. You'll notice here it looks like we have kind of almost the same factor, but the order of subtraction's reverse. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to just take out a factor of -1 from that bottom factor. I'm going to go ahead and write that 4 plus x as x plus 4 just because they are equal and I'm kind of used to writing the variable first. And then we have -1 times x minus 4. You can double check. If you distribute that -1 through, you will recover the expression 4 minus x. So now the x minus 4's cancel. We've got x plus 2 up top. On the bottom, we have the negative of x plus 4. Now, it's pretty unconventional to leave just the negative in the bottom. Usually we either attach it to the top or just out in front of the whole fraction, like the negative of x plus 2 over x plus 4. And there's our final result. Alright, let's try another one. Here we've got a difference of cubes up top. So we're going to factor that. Let's see, that's y cubed minus 2 cubed. So we start out with y minus 2. Our next factor, the big factor, has 3 terms, y times y, and then plus 2 times y, plus 2 times 2, which is 4. And the bottom, that doesn't unfoil, but that's fine because it is in fact actually the same factor that we see up top. So we're just going to cancel that whole trinomial factor. And this is equivalent to y minus 2. Down here we're going to talk a little bit about factors that differ only in sign, and we actually already saw this at play in the first example. So I'm going to scroll back up here for a second and just sort of draw your attention to what we did here, right? So we said, look, this 4 minus x is the same as -1 times x minus 4. And you know, you can see that at play. If you distribute that -1, you can see that you'll recover that. So down here we're just sort of formalizing that, that you can reverse the order of subtraction by factoring out a -1. So kind of comparing these two expressions. Let's simplify this fraction. So we have a difference of squares up top, x plus 1, x minus 1. On the bottom, we have this 1 minus x. Now right off, I see I've got this x minus 1 in the numerator. So I'm going to go ahead and factor out a negative. That's the negative of x minus 1. Now I can factor, or cancel rather, the x minus 1 factors. I have x plus 1 divided by -1. Dividing by -1 is the same as multiplying by -1, so this is the negative of x plus 1. So you could leave it like that, or you can distribute the negative. Either is fine.